Okay. So yeah, so you can read also the left side panel steps and you can ask me questions. Okay, so now we were setting the sound properties and let me put the sound file, my sound file here. They are already available because we have come through the tutorial, the training tutorial. So they have prepared, they have included all the resources, the images and sound files. Otherwise, we have to download or we have to record our own sound and then use that file by uploading. Okay, next is right. So let's write some code. So never mind, it's not real code, but it's the blocks we discussed in the beginning. So switch to the blocks editor. This is the interesting part. So we have all the visual elements and hidden elements ready. Now we have to make them interact and make them act or respond. Basically, event handlers we can add. So you will see that there are three windows in the blocks editor. Okay, we'll see. Media window is exactly the same as okay. Now what the suggesting there, blocks window is like a palette. Okay, I'll explain you all this, don't worry. There are three categories: built-in blocks. Okay, notice that component blocks list just come. Okay, oh, they have explained it here. We will see in that when we go the blocks that. Okay, so this is the click event they are suggesting. Let's do that. So let's go to the blocks. Okay, so in the blocks there is a built-in block here. You can see in the left this block section, right? Built-in. And then on the screen, whatever elements, UI elements or whatever elements we have dropped, right? We can see them. And also there is a third one called any component. We can know about it later on. So here he's suggesting to add a button click event, right? So just click on this button. So it will list you in the right side all events that are available. So you have a click event and button got focus event, long click event, lost focus event, touchdown. So and touch up. These are mobile events. Okay, and then you have some options to set button label and all that is here. A lot of you can go through them later on. So all the rich set of properties and events that are available on a button UI element are here. So we have to just add a click event here. So just click here. Okay, our blocks has started. It looks like a simple jigsaw puzzle. So click event, drag and drop the button click event and drop into viewer. Okay, we have done that. Next step. So next step is from the sound, drag in call sound play. Okay, now click on the sound. Okay, here in the click right, you can see that there are gaps to fill. So this is an intuitive way of building your web or mobile application by filling the blocks here. So this itself says that this is empty and you have to you have to fill this block to make it complete. And so we'll go to sound and play. So we have here in the beginning sound error. Okay, luckily we are not doing error handling now. We are not interested in pause when the sound pauses. We are interested in to play the sound. Okay, just take that puzzle block, put it here. Very intuitive and it looks like a game. That's it. And then snap it into the button click block. Also drag in a call sound one vibrate. So you can also make your phone vibrate when you click that button. Okay, let's get the click again. Click on the sound element here in the blocks section, and then you find vibrate. Okay, you have this vibrate, and then drag and put it under the basically play. It sets in there, and now here you can see warnings in the bottom. There is a one warning because here we have to put the number of seconds it should vibrate. Okay, that also will set that value. And any more steps? Okay. So yeah. So to put a constant value here, right? Number we have to put. So we have built-in block here. So in the built-in, you have a text block. So where you can declare a text strings like constants in programming language. So constants you can type in text here, but we don't need a text here. We need a number here. So simple is hello world kind of thing. Okay. And I'll delete it. It is not needed now. So go to math, take this number. We need milliseconds to be set here. And let's use 50 milliseconds as suggested here. That's it. So intuitive and simple to develop an application. Frankly speaking, to do this in Android development kit, it takes 1 or 2 days. And with that development editor itself is very huge. It needs minimum 18 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM on your laptop or your computer. So we came to the 14th step. Test your app. So simple. You can test in the same way, connect and run the AI companion, scan your code, and play with your app. So guys, please ask me questions if anything is not clear.
So this will run on the mobile,
Yes. So
not on
did
the system.
this is on the mobile only. In the system you can run, but you need an emulator, and emulator has a larger steps. Uh, yeah, I have to run something. Basically, there are steps here in the training material. But running an emulator is more effort than basically either running the AI companion. AI companion you can download from the Play Store. From Google Play Store, you can download it. And I think it is 15 lakh of downloads were already done. 15 lakhs plus downloads are done. So it's 5 million downloads. And then if you have AI to companion app, simply scan this QR code or enter this code, and then you are basically the application comes on your mobile. That is the beauty of this companion debugging mode. So you can, without installing your APK, you can run your application on your mobile. The basically you can once you connect it, once you connect via this, you can do parallel development also. So while you adding elements, you can see them on your mobile without installing your APK. Or you can install your APK also. You build your APK, the Android binary, and then you can install it. And we can convert it to iOS also. So that is a different topic altogether. So guys, are you able to run your app on your mobile? So we are done with the 14th step. So this is we discussed already. We don't need QR scanner app. Our camera will scan the QR very well for downloading the APK, and it basically asks us to open the download link, and we can open that link. It's a MIT platform, Massachusetts of Institute of Technology, their platform, and it's not a phishing site. So I'm giving last 5 minutes. You can ask me questions. Otherwise, we are, I mean, done with this introductory session. You can basically go through this tutorial. I'll show you again how to go through this. Uh,
So can you send some notes?
just a second. I'll show you links. Okay. just my this is I can horizontally. Okay. Yeah. So basically, if you go to AI2 website, right? This I have shared you the link. Go there. Um, Never mind, it is opening my project. Um, what is the best way is uh, you have guide, right? In the guide, you click on the guide link, it opens you. This is the home page, or this is when when you don't see your designer, this is the page. Or from your designer, go to click on guide link, then this opens. Here you have pretty good tutorials. You have videos as well, and uh, I read more text for short things, so for trivial things. So this is the link. Take the next steps with another tutorial.
Swimming,
Uh,
swimming, swimming,
Tutorials
swimming.
will be here. Tutorial. Okay. Okay. Get started, or this one. Let's see. Okay. This is the one. Yeah. So beginners tutorials. So in the help page, you go to take the next step with another tutorial, click on that, and you have a good set of materials here, Awad. So beginners tutorials you have. So you go to beginner, click on the
So we have
beginners.
to go to guide and then get it.
Yeah. Click on the guide. If you are in this page, generally, if you basically do AI2 App Inventor MIT edu, right? This link, it takes you to this page. This is home page mostly. This is the home page. Not this, but this one. Not even this. This is the home page. Okay, this is the home page, and then you go to basically tutorials. Just search for tutorials, and here everything is tutorial here. Documentation and this is pretty good. So click on take the next step with another tutorial, and then you have these tutorials page. And the beauty is it will take you directly. So these are some steps. It talks about initially what you need. You just need a phone and basically a Wi-Fi connection. That's all. And then you go to tutorials and you click on the tutorial link left side, and also you have videos here and PDF to read and do. So a lot of material is here. So click tutorial, and then your designer opens here, and just you can give a name, okay, and then it opens your designer with steps in the left side. So very basic steps, so easy to understand steps, intuitive steps, and you can do your exercise, the tutorial, complete your tutorial and run it using app companion. Pretty straightforward. Okay, any more questions please? So I think sir clicking on it, but I'm unable to play the sound. That could be minor glitch. Your sound may be muted. Let me test. I'll basically, uh, I was running app, and I have developed a couple of applications on this. For my son, I developed basically, I don't want tab to charge more than 8%, and it should give me a sound after 8% is charged. I don't want it to go for 9 or 10% or 20%, because 8% only I want to use screen time. And in Android, the screen controls are not exhaustive like in iOS. So I developed this application using this tool set only. So let me run that. Where is it? Let me open the project. I'll I'll basically trash it. The just now developed one. Right. So here this is the one we worked today. So I'm connecting it, and then let's see. I think hopefully I can play the sound. Scanning. Yeah. Touch the B. Let me put sound. Yeah. So click on the B picture, not on the label. The label is little misguiding. So don't click on the label. Touch the beat label is there, right? Don't click on that. Click on the image. So you can hear the B sound here now. Okay, Abhinav, did you can give a try?
Sir, I can't hear anything.
Yeah, just they have a debug steps also here. So in case if you don't hear, they have debug steps in the 14th and 15th. But could you hear from my phone?
No,
I think I'll keep it to the mouthpiece. Can hear now.
no,
I think it's doing noise cancellation. I don't know my earphone, but I could hear it. Never mind. Uh, uh, let's go here. In the 14th step, I think they have a troubleshooting section. There is a known issue with the sound component on some devices, they are saying. If you see an OS error and the sound does not play or is very delayed in playing, go back into designer and try using a player component found under media instead of sound component. Okay. So if you see an error, then only you need to do. Otherwise, um, in your case, so did you try to click on this button? Here is the button, not on the touch B area. Okay. And just check, make sure that in your blocks you have the sound is in place. Basically, sound you are having the basically call sound is there, and also in your sound icon, make sure that the sound icon, make sure that source MP3 file is selected. Okay, so these are the troubleshooting help. I think you shared a screenshot. What is that? Yeah, unable to play. Right. This is the error. Okay, this is the error. Okay, you should tell me about this. So this is where their basically recommendation comes to help. What they are saying here, they clearly said, right? For few devices, they said there is a known issue with sound component on some devices. If you see an error, so one more thing, what they are suggesting is you change the component. They are saying in the media they have player component. So in the media you have player also, it seems. So you can use that, drag and drop it. Okay, and then these are intuitive components. Let's see, and player component. Okay, so here I drag and drop the player. So I need to give the MP3 for it also, right? Player. So you try this. Give MP3 to this guy and go to blocks. So here we have to do the learning. Learning, we have to use the learning. Okay. So instead of sound, and now I will click on the player. So start, you have to use. There is no play here. Okay. The player don't have a play, instead they have a start. Okay, start, and instead of let's delete the this one, let's use player, and then I'll remove the sound. What else I have in the player? Do I have vibrate here? Yeah, this also has a vibrate. So so that error, Anand, that error is anticipated on some devices. So so it was an error. So let's make it 50, and that's it. You try with the player component. Okay, guys, any more questions, please?
So I have the app now. Can we restart? Can we play it?
Meaning, I did not get you.
No, you did the corrections. No, I have installed the app, so I need to scan it.
Yeah, do it. You can do it at your own pace, Awad.
Go to the connect and let me type scan the QR code for the.
Yeah, you can do it because it's your development, right? So you go to your Connect, open the AI companion. You can't scan mine. You can't scan mine. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, you can't scan mine. Sorry. You have to scan
okay.
from yours, most likely, because when we install that companion, right, it takes authentication. You can give a try. You give a try here. I don't know. You can
Ah,
try.
yeah. Let me try.
Yeah.
The code
Yeah, you can scan or code, you basically. Yeah.
TPSNIG.
Sorry, I just scanned it. You are able to scan, right? I closed.
I put the code.
Okay. I was running from my, yeah, player is also working with loud sound. Let me close this. I will again open. Yeah,
So put this.
yeah, you can. Did it work for you? I again opened. Sorry.
You cannot use two codes with one startup of the companion. You should restart the companion and try again.
Okay, you restart it, please. You restart it. Just as any other application, you remove, right? We remove from memory. So remove it from memory.
Yeah.
Now try to scan. Yeah, it's picking. Good.
Where's the B? The B is not seen.
Should be. Yeah, Abhinav says player is working. Good. Uh, so, Avad, see, you develop from your designer, man. I never tested that like this, okay? Because when we install AI companion, right, B is visible to me. Okay, it should be visible. Uh,
Yes, sir.
did you visible to you? Is it visible to you?
No, it's not visible to me. B.
Okay, you follow the steps, okay? You should be able to do it. It looks like this. This is the B image, okay? Or you want to basically scan once more. This is running basically here. I can't once more run it because it is running on your machine, on your Android. So check this, okay? And it should work. Okay, you have disconnected it. So I am getting
Yeah.
disconnected message. So basically, Abhinav is able to run it. He confirmed in the chat. Okay. So uh, player worked for him. So you can give a try. And in the chat group, you can ask me. So try from your side. Okay. That will improve your learning. Okay. So you can, they have forums also. These guys have forums. Okay. So our basically it will end in 10 minutes, our session. The warning came from the Zoom. So these guys have forums. So you can ask questions. Okay, you can, if you have any specific questions, you can ask in the group as well. Okay, so before I close, any questions, please?
No.
Okay, so remember your basically the website, that is a starting point, and on the guide you have a lot of training material, tutorials, and you have forums as well. In the help you have forums. So this gives you a chance to basically develop any app of your choice. You can develop an augmented alternative communication device as well, or app.
So we can develop an e-commerce app also from this.
E-commerce, maybe yes, but it's hard. Maybe it's because see, e-commerce components you have game you can develop games. Okay, this is not for professional development. I mean, professional in the sense you can develop a game. This is for uh, it depends how e-commerce is a long shot because you need e-commerce controls here. Uh, there are not e-commerce controls richly available, but you have connectivity controls like let me connectivity controls are here. Connectivity controls you can have basically you can invoke a REST service. So technically you can, but how secure is this for e-commerce? I cannot vouch because this is all for fun they do, or for quick development they do, and for quick automation. As I told you, right, AAC is for people who cannot speak. So augmentative alternative communication. So such things we can use it, or for simple puzzle game, or things like that, or a game. Okay, I'll show you a game. Where is one project? My project, ball bonds. Okay, you can make interesting games here. So this is a tutorial they have given. I think third tutorial here. Make this current session. Yeah, make this current session. Okay. Uh, it's opening. Yeah. So this is a ball bouncing game. So you can make uh, like a Candy Crush games also you can make with this. For finance also you can do, but it will be certainly, I think it will take a minimum 3 to 4 months to reach to that state. Okay, so this is to avoid coding. This is a platform. Okay, for uh, sir, how to keep this in Play Store? Okay, so Play Store, you can keep this, but they have, I mean, they have their own gallery also. I'll show you the gallery. Uh, gallery. Let's go to this is forum, and then let me just AI2, and then let me go to the home page. Support community, contribute to App Inventor. Somewhere I saw that gallery, resources, mm, create apps, and then innovation, support and commit books, research, support and community, contribute App Inventor, open source information. Okay, let me search for the gallery. Okay, today the gallery is only available from our primary public version. There are other versions of MIT. Let's see this. This is my private one. This is not the one. We have just 5 minutes for this meeting to be up and running as per the Zoom. So please be aware if it finishes in the middle. Existing, searching the new gallery, logging in and using new gallery. Okay, log into gallery, publish to gallery. So we have these two buttons. You see, log into gallery, publish to gallery. Let's log into gallery. Okay, log into gallery. In the you can so they have their own gallery. So there you can publish anyway. And then also in the forums we can check. Where is the forums? Yeah, guide, not guide. Help. We have forums here, right? You can ask, you can check here existing. I think already they might have asked, can I post my app on Play Store, on Google Play Store? Google Play Store. Okay, they can publish app to Google Play Store. Steps to build big app for APK. So these all we can do it. I think they have done it. Okay, so it seems it is possible to publish to gallery, to the Play Store. So someone's got rejected also, and there is a lot of information you can search. Okay, that's where your motivation comes. Okay, I'm just giving you heads up to get started. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thanks for listening to me. Thanks for taking this opportunity to learn something new. And also, this is a good tool to teach your special needs kids, or for the matter, any non-technical person. This is a good tool to use and develop applications, mobile applications. Okay. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
All the best. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.